After the photo gallery, now I am going to work with another one, that is video gallery. If I go to the HTML, you will see that this is the video gallery and all the videos are showing here, and for each video there is a caption, and if I click on this, you see the video will come here. It is not coming for another reason, but you see, if I click here, the video will be loaded here. I will work with this way. Now how I can do that? In order to work with that, I am now going to my sidebar, and here you see there is a photo gallery. Similarly, I am going to copy this and paste it here. This will be video. All the photo will be replaced by video. Okay, and here I am going to show FA image. Here it will be also video icon. Now if I go to check the admin panel, refresh, you see video gallery comes here. If I click here, nothing will be happen because I did not work with that yet. So in the admin folder, I am going to create first video.php, and then I am going to create into the admin, that is video add.php. Then here I am going to add another one, that is video edit.php. Then another one, that is video delete.php. So let's work with the video section first. So video.php. So here what I am going to do is I am going to copy the code from the photo. So in the admin there was a photo.php, so just copy the code from here. In my video.php I paste it. Here it will be videos, and here it will be video, and instead of photo, here I will show the video thumbnail or video preview. So here I can give here the video preview, and here video code or something like that. So you can show it here, that is the video ID or video code, etc. You can show here, or video. Here I think if I place the video ID, it is better because I will use the YouTube, so YouTube video ID will be better. Now here select all from videos, all the data will be shown here, and uploads it is okay, but not photo. Here the video will be shown as a thumbnail, so that I will show here the iframe code or thumbnail, whatever you can want, you can show here. So what I can do, caption is okay, caption has no issue. So video ID I can also show here like this, that is the video ID, and here instead of photo all will be video, and here the iframe code I will show here. So if I go to my front end, for the video gallery, here the video is actually img and video button here. Okay, front end has no issue. There another way is used here, but in my case I am going to close this on now. So youtube.com, I am going to the youtube.com website, and from here I am going to pick up, for example, any video. So what can I do? So for example, this is the video. Okay, so this is a video. I am now going to check the code, that means the share. So where is share? There is share. So embed code, I am going to copy the data from here, and I am going to paste it here. This is my main iframe code. Okay, here instead of the ID, so si not needed here, actually it will be my ID. So probably this is the video ID x2g. Okay, so close it. So this is my ID. So here I am going to show php echo row of here video ID. Actually this ID is still not it will not still work because I did not create any table for the video. So I am going to select my database, then go to bottom, and I am going to create the videos table. So ID, video ID, and caption, total 3 items will be here. Create, first one is ID, and video ID here, and this is caption, for example. So caption, similarly the caption will be here nullable, and the main ID will be primary key and auto increment, and video ID also here varchar, for example 100. So I am going to click on save. Okay, so video ID, caption and ID, it is okay. Now I am going to check it. I am going here, refresh, you see videos, there is no error here. So if I click on add new button, then I will be taken to the video ad page. It is currently empty, so I am going to my photo ad, going to copy the data from here, and here I am going to paste it. So in this case it will be a video, so add video. Here is video.php. Here instead of photo I can show the video, so caption will be okay. I copy this from here. This is the caption, not caption, it will be video ID. You will must have to give this ID here, that is video ID, video_ID, and then the next is caption, and it is optional. There is no enc type needed here, and submit is okay. So after submission it will come here, but there is no upload system here, so I am going to remove everything. And from other section, from any other page, I am going to copy the data and paste it here. In my case of video ad, here it will be video ID. So here video ID cannot be empty, but caption is not mandatory, so I do not need to check that here. Insert into videos, one is video ID and another one is caption 2. So here it will be post of video ID, so video ID, and another one is caption. Data insert successful, it will be video.php. here it will be also video.php. so it should work. Let's refresh, video ID and caption, submit. Video ID cannot be empty, so you must have to give a video ID here. If I go to check my HTML here, this one, so for example this video I need, so I am going to see the page source, and here I am going to check the video. So this is actually the video ID, this one is a video ID, right? So this one I copy this, and the video I paste it here. The caption, for example caption 1, this is the first one. Submit, data insert is successful. Here you see the video is showing here because I showed the preview. ID is this and the video is this. So in the video.php I call a class here, class equal to here iframe1, for example if1, and this one I will have to apply into the distadmin css and custom css. Here in the bottom I am going to add this. So for the iframe, so iframe.if1 iframe class, and they are wide equal to this. If you want you can make it 100% or a small, make it a small 300 and 180 for example. So in that case if I refresh, you see this is the video preview. Video ID is here, caption is here. Okay, it is working. So now I want to add another one, so I go back and add the second one. Second one is this, copy this, paste it here. This is in my case caption 2, submit. Yes, this one is working. So another one, I am going to the third one. This is the one, first one, second one, third one is this. This video is somehow not available, so I am not going to take it. I am going to take the next one. So add now this one, and here is caption 3, data insert successful. You see third one is coming here, and then I am going to apply another one, this one for example, copy, and here add new video ID. Caption is caption 4 in this case, submit. 4 videos coming, and this is another one, copy this one. This one caption is caption 5 for example, submit. So fifth item is added, and the last one I am going to open the video. Okay, so from here I can give here conference, for example conference 2025. What can be the conference? This is another conference, that is okay. I just need the video ID from here, so not here. This is actually the ad. So conference, security conference. Okay, this is okay. So here I copy the ID from here, add this here. Caption is, for example, caption 6. So this one, so last one is added without any problem. Close it, not needed anymore. Okay, so only one sample video I will add here, that is, for example, Safari video, not the conference video. For example, this one. Okay, no problem. I am going to copy this data, and here I do not give anything, just video. This one, close it. This one I will add or edit, and then you will understand. Now I am going to edit the video. So in order to edit the video, if I click here, it should come in this page, video edit.php. So I am going to open my video edit.php page now. So let's go to open video edit.php is here. Now I am going to copy the content from the photo edit or any other section. You can just open, just copy this and paste it here. So in the case of video edit, so all the data from videos where id equal to this, and edit video here, and here it will be video instead of photo. No enc type is needed, so here I remove it. No hidden data is needed, so here I am going to remove it. So existing, here I can show existing video thumbnail. You can show it here. How I can show it here? From the video.php, this iframe code I am just going to copy and paste it here similarly. So instead of this row, it will be result. Okay, so result 0 of video ID, like this. And change video, not like this, it will be actually like this one, that is the video ID. So copy this from here, and I am going to replace it. So video ID here, and here what will be the value field? Value field will be like this. I am going to copy and paste it here. This is video ID. Okay, my task is done here. Form update, and it will be submitted to the top, and here it will be videos, it will be video, and not any photo will be here. And from the video ad, I am going to copy this one. In the top, I check if it is empty or not. Update the videos, set video ID equal to what, and caption equal to what. So video ID is actually like the caption, so copy this on, so like this. So here it will be video ID, so video ID, and caption, and in all other places this will be video. So okay, my task is done. Just go here, refresh this video that was added in the last time. I am going to add another one. For example, this video, this is another one. I am going to copy this from here. I change the ID here, update, data update successful. You see the for video is changed, and the new video comes here. If I want to remove any item, what will be happen? So I will work with the video delete.php. So here I am going to the photo delete.php first, going to copy data from there. In the video delete, paste it here. In the top, I am going to check videos, and here it will be video. If not match, then unlinked, but here nothing is unlinked because there is no photo here. So from the video, simply delete the row, that is okay. So video.php. Now if I refresh, and if I want to delete, but before going there, you see total 7 items, and last one has no caption. Now I am going to edit and add the caption here if it is working. Yes, you see now here is caption. So here if I refresh, you see caption comes. So last item I am going to remove from here. So click here, okay, you see data is deleted. And if I now go here, you see the last one is not here. That means data deletion is also working. So the backend is done. In the front end, there is a video gallery page. So what I did in the case of photo gallery, similar thing I will do in the case of video. So I delete everything, and that means I close everything. Okay, not delete, close everything from the editor. Now I go htaccess, and in the htaccess copy photo gallery. Instead of photo, it will be video gallery. Okay, So now close it, and in outside the admin, the photo gallery I am going to open, and the video gallery also I am going to open. And in the video gallery, the video items you see are repeating from here. So like this, I am just going to remove all the items, and this one I will have to change. But in the photo gallery, I added many other items. I did many other things. For example, in the gallery item, that means here there is a pagination and other codes here. So I am going to copy all the data from here, copy, and in the video gallery, because I am going to do this because there is pagination here also. So paste everything. Only the inside data I am going to replace here. So here I am going to replace it, this one, that was the inside data, and here this one and this one, these are video ID. So PHP echo row of, here I call video ID, and there is a caption here. Okay, so here I call caption echo, then row of caption. Okay, it is good. And in the caption it should work, and all other items that are given here should work without any problem. Only the photos will be here videos, and here the photos will be videos. It is okay. Now 30 items here. To check, I give 4 items. So go here, the link also needed, so I am going to layout nav, and like the photo gallery, in the video gallery I add this base URL in the beginning and remove the HTML from the last. So now let's refresh and then click on video gallery. You see videos are coming here, the videos I added here coming. If I click here, you see video is loaded. If I click here, you see video is loaded in the pop-up. Okay, so every video is loading without any issue. So now here in the bottom, if I click on 2, you see it is going to photo gallery. Why? Here in the video gallery there was written photo gallery, so I will have to change all the photo gallery to video gallery. Okay, so now let's refresh. Now go to page number 2. 2 more photos are coming. Okay, so it is coming without any problem. That means it is perfectly working, right? If there is no photo, for no caption, for example, from the first one there is no caption, so data update successful. If I go here, you see here is caption, but here there is no caption, so it is also perfectly working here. So I am going here, I am going to bring it back, because if you give caption it will look good. So if I refresh, it comes again, and here in the 2 you see this, in the 1 you see this. And similarly, like before, if I want to show more items here, for example 30 items in a row, then it will work. That means all the items are showing here without any pagination.